Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and this is my friend's free duplex. He didn't have to use his money to buy this. Isn't that right, TK?
I haven't.
It didn't feel that way for a while, did it? He's been working on this since January of last year. So he's just got these windows in. He's got a little bit of drywall left, a little bit of cleanup, some trim I think you have left to do.
Yep.
But we're getting here. This is a huge change from where this was when it started. It's got the cool arch here, fireplace. So this is a duplex. It's going to be available for rent very soon, probably in about a week. He'll be ready to rent this. So he's finally going to have his first rental property. And I talk all the time about how you can get started with no money down. You don't have to save up thousands and thousands of dollars to do this. It is something you can do. So the bank paid for the house. They paid for the renovations. They even paid the down payment and closing costs for him. And he spent a year on the side doing this remodel. He's never remodeled a house before. He had to learn everything as he went, and he's been figuring it out as he goes. So we got a door in here we're working on. We got the bathroom tile. A little bit of grout needs to be done here around the tub edge, but looking very nice. I'm proud of him. We're about to go up in this attic and do some insulation. That's what we're here to do today. So let's go look at the other side and see how it's doing. So all the time I'll have people say, I don't have enough money. You must be rich to start real estate. TK, were you rich?
Filthy sneaky.
You were so rich, weren't you? You're an artist. You're not rich. There's no such thing as a rich artist. Okay, so this is the yellow side. I really like the yellow. He was unsure about it. He picked the yellow out and started putting it on, and he was telling me, Shane, I don't know about the yellow. Isn't that right, TK?
Yeah, it grew on me for sure.
Yeah, tell me what you think. Do you like the yellow?
I like it. I'm happy with it. I like it better than the dark one, actually.
Yeah.
Brings things, makes it look bigger.
Yeah, got a little trim to do around here and a little bit more, but countertops. Then we got bathroom over here. Looks like we got a little silicone to do and a little bit of paint in here, but not too bad. Yeah, we're to the finishing touches. I like that fan. I like that fan. We got the water heater back here and utility space.
You can tell which paint I've replaced.
Oh yeah, you learned how to replace window panes. Cool. I'm super proud of him. He's learned so much doing this. Serious question, TK. If you had this to do over again now, knowing everything you know, would you have done it?
So originally, if I had known what I was getting into, I probably would not have done it. I would have been like, this is way too much. It's out of my comfort zone. I'm not educated enough. I don't have the time. No. Now that I've done it and I see that that it can be done and all the knowledge that I've got now, yeah, I'll do it again.
I told you you'd feel different when you got finished. Yeah, there were several times I came over here and he's like, Shane, I would never have done this if I'd have known how much work it was going to be. All right, let's do some work.